Hello, it's Dark and welcome back to another Pokemon video. And I thought we'd do something a little bit different today. We've done it in the past, where we're doing some Pokemon Trading Card Game Online packs. So we've got a huge range of different packs: Shiny Fates, Unified Minds, Battle Star, Real Voltage, and some Roaring Skies. Thought we'd open the rest of our Shiny Fates ones, and then maybe 5 of all the others, and see where we get to. Okay, so here we go. Shiny Fates, of course, being the set everybody wanted. Let's see if we can get better luck than we did in our boxes. A reverse Decidueye rare, and a holo rare Luxray. Not bad, not bad. Quite a few new ones in that one. A reverse Rusty Sword, and oh, very nice, a full art Piers. Okay, see what we get in this one. New ones again. We've got a, oh, very nice, a shiny Wooloo. And a Camarant V. Very nice. So I actually managed to pull a shiny card, which is good. Let's see what we got here. Oh, very nice, a shiny Lapras V full art. And a Ditto V. Well, these packs are stacked. Okay, let's see what we can get in this one. Don't think much can beat that last one. Let's have a look what we got. A shiny Rainbow Rare Reshiram. Wow. This is getting insane. And then a regular rare Zarude Ran Sunstorm. And once again, the first one is going to be a Rainbow Rare Kyogre. This is ridiculous. And a Crobat Full Art VMAX. Crobat VMAX Full Art, even. And I think this is our last Shining Fates pack. So let's see if we can have some last pack magic. There we go. So we've got a reverse Chewtle and a regular rare Volcanion. Okay, not bad, not bad. So we'll open some Unified Minds now. Do some of them. Right, finally back. That literally took like a minute. So let's get into it. Fairy Energy, Rip Fairy Energy. All new ones on that one. We got a reverse Salandit and a regular rare Executor. Oh god, here we go again. I don't know why it's doing this. Everyone for this. I'll have to cut all these breaks out. Let's see what we got in this one. We've got a reverse Cottony and a regular rare Salazzle. Oh god, not again. That one didn't take as long. So let's see what we've got in this one. Woompleed. Oh, this one. A reverse rare Noivern and a regular rare Kangaskhan. Right, we got this time. I think we get all newer ones we've barely opened. A reverse rare Onyx and a Excavalier regular rare. Don't think about anything yet. Ah, that one was instant. Okay, we've got a reverse Dratini and a regular rare Kitri. I have no idea. We'll open one more of these and then we'll move on to something else. I think we've actually done about 7 of these. But oh well, never mind. Right, let's see what we get with this one. We've got a reverse Breloom and a Hooper Holo Rare. Right, okay, we'll finish there. And we'll do a few Darkness Ablaze. See what we get from these. Reverse Gothita and a Rook regular rare. We love the good old regular rare. We get a lot of them. A Papatas, a reverse Ducklet, and a holo rare Heatran. Not bad, not bad. we've got a reverse Trapinch, cotton, or knitted even. And, oh, very nice, a Salamence VMAX full art. Very, very nice. Have a look. Gothitelle normal rare. We've got Toxel, Pupitar, regular reverse rare, reverse hollow even, and a Rhyperior V. Powerful energy, reverse Solrock, and a Flygon regular rare. Okay, let's move on to some Roaring Skies. Why not? Let's see if we can get that Shaman. Oh god, here we go. Right, okay, let's open up the Roaring Skies. Right, let's see what we get. No energy in these packs, of course, because they're older ones. We've got the Gligar reverse. And, oh, very nice, a Mega Rayquaza EX. That's a good start. Oh. But I've got to build those packs. Right, here we go. Let's see what we get in this one. Cascade again, that's 2 in a row. A reverse Spearow and a Talonflame with normal rare. Regular rare even. Let's see what we got. Literally nothing new in that one. Gligar again, reverse. And a Altaria full art. Not bad. Right, let's see what we have here. We have a reverse Inkay and a Articuno rare. And then what we got here? What's up Gligar? I think I've got one in every single pack. We have an Articuno reverse holo now, of course rare, and then we have a Bennett rare. One more of these I think we'll do some Vivid Voltage. Spearow reverse, and that's literally almost an identical pack. Okay, here we go. TDP, Swablu. We have a reverse Ultra Ball and a Talonflame regular rare. Okay, let's open some Vivid Valkyries now. See what we can get. Can we pull the Fat Pikachu Rainbow Rare? We have a reverse Magearna, which is a rare, and a regular rare Crocodile. We've got a reverse Ninjask, which is 2 reverse rares in a row, and we have a Alcremie, or Creamy, whichever you prefer. Shootle twice, and then we have a regular rare Executor. Okay, Dorkinge about to get an edges, of course. Hero's Mill, Shootle again, and a Shed Ninja. So what we get out of this one. And Lola Meowth. Reverse Riolu. And a Holo Rare Tornadus. Eevee, Riolu. Another Shootle, a Riolu again. And a Flareon regular rare. Come on, let's get something well above the pull rate or something. The first rare Beedrill, that is about the 4th I think. And Fat Pikachu full art. There we go, Pikachu VMAX. Well, that's one to pull. And I think we shall leave it there. Okay, so if you enjoyed, don't forget to punch the like button, comment down below, subscribe to the news channel, follow my Twitter link down below as always. And last thing to say, I've been XRKX, and I shall see you in the next Pokemon or Boardwalk Cafe, whatever it may be. See you soon.